Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into an Exchange or Microsoft 365 account because Room Finder reads your organization's resource lists. Open the Outlook desktop calendar and click New Meeting. Once the meeting window appears, select View and enable Room Finder if it isn't visible. Make sure you have permission to view room lists. If not, request it from IT. Now that the pane is open, you're ready to search rooms and set meeting times, so proceed to picking availability and filters. Next, choose the meeting date and time, or use the scheduling assistant to find overlapping free slots across attendees. Once you have a time, in Room Finder pick the appropriate room list for your building or floor, then apply filters like capacity, video equipment, or accessibility. The pane will rank matching rooms by availability and conflicts. If a suggested room shows tentative conflicts, click it to view room calendar details and alternate times. This lets you balance location convenience with attendee availability before sending invites. To finish, add the chosen room to the meeting as a resource so it appears in the location field and attendee list, then draft any agenda and click Send. The room mailbox often auto-accepts or returns a pending response. Monitor responses and adjust if conflicts arise. If you can't see rooms or bookings aren't updating, clear Outlook cached profiles, verify mailbox permissions, and confirm Auto-Discover is working. If problems persist, contact your Exchange admin to check room mailbox settings and resource scheduling policies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.